Pain and suffering is calculated for injury cases in many ways. Ultimately, it's the jury's determination of the amount of pain and suffering that a client has endured throughout their treatment up to the point of trial. And then they're also able to recover for pain and suffering that will occur in the future. A lot of times what our lawyers here at Farah Farah will do is they'll try to put a mathematical formula tied to the pain and suffering. We'll talk with our clients' doctors and determine, based on the medical records, what amount of pain and what level of pain has our client endured on an average throughout their treatment plan. And then we'll take that data and we'll tie it to maybe something that the client loves to do. Prior to the accident, if they like playing golf, let's say, 10 hours a week, and that's been taken away from them, then what we'll do is we'll take that block of time and we'll break it down by the second and say the accident took this activity away. Now it's replaced with pain and suffering. Let's compensate them by minute or by hour. The legal definition of pain and suffering is what are their symptoms? What is the injury? And typically, what type of pain and limitation does that injury cause our client? And the lawyer has to be able to extract from the client what they're really going through, then be able to communicate that to a jury. Here at Farah Farah, we've represented dancers who that was their life. We had a client, she was a professional dancer, but she was an avid biker. She loved to bike, and she was involved in a bicycle accident, and she wasn't able to dance anymore. There's not only the physical pain that she experienced from the injuries themselves, but it's the emotional suffering that she sustained because her love of dancing was taken away from her. And so in the end, there has to be empathy by the lawyer in order to truly understand what the client's going through.